back to Route 40 Rust. I'm hanging out with Walter. Say hi, Walter.
Hi.
And we're taking the 66 F250 to a car show on a rainy day. There, just really trying to support the turnout. It's for the, don't touch it, support the turnout for the local high school. It's for their alumni organization, and the money goes towards the school and stuff like that. So even though it's raining and bad weather and stuff, we're going to try to pound a few cars through there and, you know, just participate and give. And I already dropped off the Jeep. There's already a couple of really nice cars I'm excited to show everybody. Just show them the school, Walter. There's the local high school here in Preble County, Ohio. About every grade goes there. But kindergarten through senior. It's the old FFA side of the school. Got some greenhouses and tractors and stuff. My windshield wiper's still working. That's hanging on. That's good news. Figured it would have broke by now. This soaking wet truck, it's probably gonna catch on fire. Well, we got our second vehicle here and we're just waiting on this rain to blow over before we hop out. And the CJ5's over there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. There's the top. It's a good looking Bel-Air right there. Anywho, yep, waiting for this rain to blow over and we're working on some registration stuff. Walter's already taking notes of some vehicles he sees, like that Mustang. And maybe that Mazda, but that Ford, I don't know, F600, I don't know, Corvette, I don't know, there's all sorts of stuff down there. Anyway, super excited for this show again. It's the local high school here in Preble County. It's for their alumni foundation, and I would love it if this weather would clear up a little bit to call the wife, come get me, and go grab another vehicle, and I don't know, maybe the 53 Willys flat fender and bring that down here, but that'd be a long ride in the rain, wouldn't it? Well, yeah. And the Willys going 35 miles per hour, but oh, look at that. Man, I like the sun visor on it. Anyway, well,
we had a top for the Willys.
If we had a top for the Willys, but we don't. What else could we have gotten?
Flatbed.
Oh, the flatbed. Yeah, we could have got the 70 one-ton. I know. I really wanted my wife to bring her 86 Suburban, but she's got other plans for the day. It looks like the food vendors are already open. Look, well, I can see daylight over there.
Yes.
So it looks like this rain might clear up in the next 20 minutes and we'll get these cars situated. Probably just bail water out of the bottom. I know the CJ5 is probably full. Anyway. What? I can't fix them all, Walt.
I know.
Okay. good?
Yeah.
I hope you know how hard I try. Before you start to get a mind to say goodbye, I hope you see how far I go. Forever trying to bring my world to your front door. 'Cause the best is not enough. The best is not enough. It's gotta be better than the best if I do it for you. I hope it shows when love is true. I'm praying that the way it is ain't lost on you. 'Cause honey, in the end, if truth be told, you're gonna need the kind of love that's full of soul. 'Cause the best is not enough. The best is not enough, babe. It's gotta be better than the best if I do it for you. 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 If I do it for The best is not enough. The best is not enough. It's gotta be better than the best if I do it for you. 'Cause the best is not enough. The best is not enough. It's gotta be better than the best if I do it for you. If I do it for you, babe. The best if I do it for you, babe.
Oof. All right, now we'll leave you alone.
Oh, you're fine. See ya.
See it. Oh, Mustang. Got a big block in it.
That was-
390, same engine that's in the flatbed.
Look at the back tires.
I know.
Hey, what are you doing? Huh?
It's getting cool out here.
Mhm. Well, it would appear that it is a good idea to hit car shows on rainy days. Keeps those real cars, the ones that actually can win trophies, at home in the garage. And guys like me with total rust buckets come out on top. Check it out. The CJ5 got the best Jeep. Look at that. We got a little, what are those called? Gladiator Rubicon trophy. Yep, we got that. And the 66. Yeah, top 50. We'll take it. We'll take it, guys. You know, it's not about the hardware, but you know, it makes you feel good about trophies. What?
What are you doing?
Look at what the Jeep did today. And look what the truck did today. And you won a toy car, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Was it awesome?
Yeah.
And you had some good pulled pork sandwiches?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can you look at this part?
You can look at it. And you know what? Millie, you know what the real award is? The real trophy is that both of these vehicles drove like, I don't know, 10 miles both ways. So 40 miles combined without breaking down in pouring rain.
Why did you
Yeah.
know?
Well, they gave them to us because they feel sorry for us since we put all our time into these piles of crap, and they said, well, we feel sorry for that guy, so let's make them feel better, you know.
Did you get anything for me?
Should have taken the flatbed, you know.
But you changed your mind.
What?
But you changed your mind.
Yeah, well, I'm glad I took both trucks. I really wanted to help the school out, you know. And they did not disappoint with trophies. They're pretty nice.
I'm gonna go sit
Laser Creations, Milton, Indiana. Okay. Well, I guess they did a little. Ooh, they did a good job putting a little Jeep on there. That's fun stuff. Yeah. What? What are you doing? Okay. Anyway, yeah, this thing. We don't get to drive it as much. I had to chalk the wheel because this thing was parked directly across from a, I don't know, like a 48 Ford F100 or something, and next to it was the best in show car, which was a GT500 with a sun visor. What? No, you can't. Had the sun visor autographed by Carroll Shelby himself, so that was pretty cool. So I'd hate it if this Jeep would just pop out of gear or something and roll and just slowly watch my savings account that I don't have just, you know, deplete to make that right. The Ford was parked across from like a newer Mazda or something, so I wasn't too worried about that. Nothing against the Mazdas, but so yeah, we check it. We did things. And something cool on this guy. Check out my new old bumper sticker. Yeah. Farm, Ohio. Yeah. So it worked out good. Even the dog is happy. Daisy, are you happy? Okay. Did you bring me iced coffee? Steak keeps getting better and better and better. Thank you. Millie, where's your brother and sister? We need to...
Abby's outside and walking.
Daisy. Oh, okay. You do that. Okay.
Dad,
What?
what are these called?
Seeds off some sort of tree. Maybe the Norway maple. I don't know my trees.